How to change time zone to West Asia on BeReal. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change it easy and quick on BeReal. First open BeReal and now click on your profile here, and after that click these 3 points and then scroll down until you find here until you find time zone, and then click on it and here we'll find West Asia, and that's it. Now just click save and go back, and that's it. I hope that can help you. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.